Dear students of 10th class, welcome to our world through English. In this video, I will continue our year reading. Attitude is altitude. So please watch the video very carefully. Nick, who was teased and bullied, had an electric wheelchair for mobility and a team of carers to help him. Nick was teased and bullied by his friends, and with the help of an electric wheelchair, he moved from one place to another place, and with the help of carers or caretakers, he grown up, and with the help of them, he did so many things. If you want to know about the electric wheelchair, you can observe the pic. I was deeply depressed when I was 8 years old, he said. I went to my mom crying and told her I wanted to kill myself. At the age of 8 years, Nick was deeply depressed. Nick was deeply upset, and immediately he went to his mom and he was crying and he was asking that he wanted to kill himself. Why? Because he was deeply depressed as he was bullied and teased by his friends for so many times. I felt cold and bitter. I hate God for doing this to me and was terrified of what would happen when my parents weren't there to look after me. So Nick was cold and bitter. That means what? He was very sad because he got frustration, and he hated God for so many times for what God had done to him, and he was terrified, he was frightened, because if his parents weren't there, what would happen? Nobody would have been there to look after him. I could brush my own teeth with wall mounted brush and wash my own hair with pump action of soap, but there was so much that was impossible for me. Nick could brush himself with the wall mounted brush. That means it is a brush which is attached to wall. With the help of that, he could brush himself, and with the help of pump action soap. That means it is a device in which soap solution is there. When he presses or when he pulls, so that solution will come out. So with the help of that, he could bath himself, even though there was so impossible, there was so difficulty to do his own works, because you know that he is a torso. At age 10, Nick tried to drown himself in the bath, but luckily the attempt was unsuccessful. I felt there was no purpose. When you lack purpose and strength, it is hard to hold on, he said. At the age of 10, Nick wanted to kill himself again. He wanted to drown himself. That means what? He wanted to kill himself by putting his body completely under water, but due to some reasons, the attempt was unsuccessful. Nick feels that he has no aim or purpose to survive because he is a torso. So, when there is no purpose or aim due to lack of purpose or strength, it will be a useless thing. But to hold that thing, it was unbearable to Nick. But with the help of his religion, friends, and family, Nick managed to pull through to become an international symbol of triumph over adversity. With the help of his religion, and we know that Nick's religion is Christianity, and of course we know that he has faith in Christianity as well as in Lord Jesus. So, with the help of that and his friends and family, he overcame all his difficulties and finally he became an international figure, international symbol of triumph. Triumph means here a great success or a great victory over adversity. Adversity means a bad situation or an unpleasant thing. When I was 13, I read a newspaper article about a disabled man who had managed to achieve great things and helped others, said Nick. When Nick was 13 years old, he read an article in a newspaper about a disabled person, and in that matter, that disabled person could have managed all those things with his disabilities. I realized why God had made us like this, to give hope to others. It was so inspirational to me that I decided to use my life to encourage other people and given them the courage that the article had given me. After reading the article in the newspaper, Nick got realized why God made them like that, and he came to know that to give hope to others. And it was the statement in which Nick had read. And finally, he decided to give hope to others and he decided to give inspiration and motivation to the needy people through his life. So that was the starting point and turning point to Nick to become an international figure in the world. So dear students of 10th class, before ending the video, please take the comprehensive questions and answer them. And this lesson will be continued in the coming video.